So what are the sources of law? And especially in Indian circumstances, from where the law is coming. So first and foremost is the Constitution of India. That is the book. That is the backbone of any law. Any law cannot be unconstitutional. You must have heard that this law is unconstitutional, asamvidhanik hai. So what does this mean? This means any law which is against the Constitution of India, which is against the spirit of the formation of nation, is illegal or it is unconstitutional. So it does not hold water into the law. Then second very important source is statutes and acts passed by the parliament. So at central level, there is a parliament, upper house, lower house, and they are passing different acts or different orders, different statutes, and these are the sources of law if it is the central government law. States also has the power, the state legislature also has the power to execute that. So the house selected, elected by the people, upper house, lower house, has got the power to make the acts and statutes or law which must be derived from the Constitution of India. Then third very important is judicial precedents. Mean to say these precedents are interpretation of law done by the court. Obviously, court has to see that whether any statutes or any act is in alignment with the statutes passed and in the alignment with the Constitution of India. And on that basis, it passes the interpretation, it passes the judgment. And those judgments are binding depending on the hierarchy of the courts. So suppose Supreme Court or Apex Court has taken some decision, it has given some interpretation, it is binding onto the higher court and lower court. So this is known as precedents. Precedents means decided earlier by the court. And then comes customary laws. Customary laws mean to say derived from the customs. Suppose a Muslim marriage is going on and the custom is if they say Kabul hai, Kabul hai, Kabul hai. So it is a marriage. So it's a custom of saying Kabul hai. Now, once that custom is followed, it is a legally binding marriage. Similarly, in Hindus, there are 7 feras. So the moment you take complete 7 feras before the fire, it is a custom, but now that marriage is legally binding. So it is law derived from the custom. And international treaties are there when they are incorporated. Like you must have heard that this country has signed extradition treaty. So extradition treaty, if it is signed, then a person can be exported, deported to the country in which we have got the extradition treaty. So there are a lot of international treaties like treaty for human rights, treaties for criminal activities. So whatsoever are there, if they are incorporated, even if they are international, they are the part of Indian law because Indian government has signed that treaty and now it is the part of our system.